You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this Italian tennis player. If you want to learn more confusing names from tennis that many get wrong, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. The Italian pronunciation here is as Matteo. You have a double T, so you need to stress on that T syllable, make it twice as long. Matteo, that's how it would be said in Italian. Matteo Arnaldi. Matteo Arnaldi. In English, simply say it as Matteo Arnaldi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.